So we're going to show you a couple pros and cons about the Canyon BC 1500. It does have a much more powerful motor than the Canyon 66. They're both 110 volt. There are some advantages to this model. One of the advantages is it has much larger burrs. It's also got about the same industrial parts or setup as the 220 models. On a negative side about these roasters or these grinders is they don't have a lid for the hopper. You could use a makeshift lid, but they don't come standard with the lid. So pouring a pound of coffee into the grinder, and I've got it set to a fairly fine grind like what you might use for K-Cup. One of the negatives about this machine is you can't fill the hopper with the machine off and the gateway open because it'll clog up the machine. So you have to either turn the machine on and then begin filling the hopper, or leave the gateway closed and then turn the machine on and open the gateway up. So I'm opening the gateway up. I'm going to let it run its course. Now once it's running, if you want to continue adding more, or if you have a larger hopper, you can do that. One other negative thing is there's no lid to this, so either you'll want to use a makeshift lid or just watch when it gets down to the last few beans because they have a tendency to jump out of the hopper. On a positive note, it seems to have a really nice, even, I wish I could show you this better, a nice even grind, which was one of the complaints about the BC 66, and that could have been, we didn't really notice much of a problem with us, but it could have been they were trying to use it for espresso or something like that. And really these industrial grinders are really designed for companies, kind of the opposite of what we sell our roasters for. We tend to sell our roasters to small companies that may just sell, you know, by the bag and maybe grind a few bags here and there. This is more designed for someone who might want to grind 25, 50, 100 pounds or more a day, or we have some companies that are using the BC 66, a couple of those, and grinding several hundred pounds a day, as well as using our 220 grinders. So those are some of the pros and cons of using that, but I'll try to get you some pictures to show you that it is a nice even roast, an even grind. So I'll try to show you that.